Vanakkam. We are the good boys. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are here with another new video. We will be showing you the new OnePlus 6, also along with the outdoor unboxing. Now, before the unboxing and the review of the phone,
we have tried something new and innovative in a cinematic way.
So please do watch the video and share your views in the comment section below.
கண்டிப்பா மறந்துடாதீங்க.
டேய் மொட்டை.
டேய் பாத் சொல்லு.
ஏய் ரொம்ப பசிக்குதுப்பா.
யார கூப்பிடலாம்?
ஷாருக் பாய்.
இன்னைக்கு உங்க அண்ணன் என்கேஜ்மென்ட்.
பிரியாணி. ஏய் கால் him டா.
கூப்பிடுவோம்.
Hey, still call is not going.
Unlock call bro.
Che.
Sama lag bro, என்ன பண்றது?
Hey, today call will go. What?
போய்டும் நம்பறேன்டா.
Buy one new phone da. What is this?
புது ஃபோனே. நம்மளுக்கே.
Buy the new OnePlus 6.
கப்பு நீ தரியா?
Hey, Mota. You're not visible from any angle da. What phone da? You only keep.
ஏன் பிரச்சனை இல்லப்பா, கேமரா பிரச்சனை.
That's why I'm telling you, buy the new OnePlus 6. Hi Mota. What you doing da?
PUBG bro.
You also. What da?
World famous bro.
Hey, shoot him.
ஏய் போறோம் போற ஷூட் பண்ணு. ஏய் நீ வந்த ஹேங் ஆயிச்சு.
What da?
Hey, ஒரே phone தான் எங்கடா ப்ளீஸ் குத்துறா.
That's why I'm telling you, buy the OnePlus 6. We are going to unbox the new OnePlus 6 today. As we can see here, this variant has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. OnePlus has changed their tagline from never settle to the speed you need. Let's open it up. As we can see here, this is the mirror black variant. This phone also comes in midnight black, silk white and red. It has an elegant display with a dreaded notch. It has a dual camera setup at the back with a fingerprint sensor. The phone is quite big to hold and sometimes uncomfortable. Let's keep the phone aside for a while and open this box. Along with this phone, they have provided us with a case. This is a smoke black TPU case for the mirror black variant. There is a OnePlus sticker and some paperwork for the phone along with a SIM ejector tool. The charger has been carried over from the previous OnePlus 5T. It is a 5V 4A charger. This is one of the fastest chargers in the market. This phone also comes with a USB Type-C cable. Let us go through the brief specs about the phone. The OnePlus 6 is powered by the Snapdragon 845 octa-core chipset with Adreno 630 GPU. It comes with a 6.28-inch AMOLED screen protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The OnePlus 6 comes in two variants. It has a 6GB or 8GB of RAM. The 6GB variant has 64GB of internal storage, whereas the 8GB variant comes with 128GB of internal storage. Moving to the camera, it has a dual rear-facing setup with a 16+20MP shooter. The primary camera, which is a 16MP camera, supports OIS. Both have an aperture of f1.7. The front-facing camera is a 16MP shooter with f2.0 with EIS. This phone supports dash charging and it has a 3300 mAh battery. Now let us come to the review of the device. I'll be talking about the pros.
I will be talking of the cons.
First, the OnePlus is a very elegant device due to its glass back design.
Due to its glass back design, it is more fragile and it is a fingerprint magnet. Coming to the next con, it contains a notch, which many users dislike.
But OnePlus has given us a great feature where we can disable the notch through the software. Now another great feature of the OnePlus 6 is the alert slider. The alert slider, previously found on the left of the device in the OnePlus 5T, is now moved to the right in the OnePlus 6. It has great animations which helps us toggle between ring, vibrate and silent modes. Now the OnePlus 6 has the Snapdragon 845 chipset. Due to this, it has no lag at all and this device is very fluid. OnePlus provides us with a great OS. The Oxygen OS is very close to stock Android.
This device employs a mono speaker which is quite loud but sounds average at high volumes. It could have used the earpiece to enable the stereo option which is provided in the Galaxy flagships.
Now OnePlus has enabled dual 4G VoLTE option in their phone. This is a great feature because now in India most of the carriers are shifting to 4G. The call quality in this device is very good and the network reception is excellent. This device has a 3300 mAh battery which can take you effortlessly throughout the day.
This isn't a bigger upgrade compared to the 5T.
Now OnePlus provides us a dash charger with their device. This is one of the quite fastest charger available in the market. It can top up the device really fast from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. Now coming to gaming, the OnePlus can run any high-end games effortlessly in its device due to the presence of the Snapdragon 845 processor. Now coming to the back of the device, it has a dual camera setup which is pretty good. It uses OIS and EIS for image stabilization. The low-light photography has improved considerably over the previous OnePlus devices. The portrait mode has been enabled in the front camera and also employs EIS for image stabilization.
Due to the presence of EIS, the front camera crops the images and the secondary camera at the back is just used for the portrait mode. Now coming to the next con, it is the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is quite small. A round design could have been better. And coming to the face unlock, it is not that secure, and then it has no IP rating.
Now OnePlus claims that their device is splash proof. Next, moving on to the display, it employs a 1080p AMOLED display. This has been done in order to cut costs. OnePlus has done a great job by retaining the 3.5mm jack, which is vanishing in quite a few phones right now.
Even though it contains a glass back, it failed to use the wireless charging option. Now coming to the next con is the sound quality through the 3.5mm jack is quite flat, and then the price range of the 128GB variant is quite high. It could have been less.
The 6GB RAM present on the phone is quite enough to take you through daily use, and you'll not face any lag.
8GB is really unnecessary.
The only advantage that the 8GB variant, so over the 6GB variant, is a 128GB storage.
But it doesn't have a micro SD slot.
The OnePlus is a great phone for everyday use, and it is a great choice at a 35,000 price point. Many phones don't offer such features in this price range.
நன்றி.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please like our videos.
உங்க அன்பான வார்த்தைகள் மறுபடியும் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க,
ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க,
அப்படியே சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. மறுபடியும் பார்க்கலாம்.
Bye. See you later.
Okay.
Gaming.
3, 2, 1.
So wait.